My name is Jennifer Brake and I'm an advisor with Creative Memories. And I'm here to talk to you about the newest product that Creative Memories has, the Holly Jolly Card Kit. I love Creative Memories card kits. I think that they are so easy and so simple to use. Everything that you need is in this box. All you need to add is a little bit of adhesive. You can use any Creative Memories adhesive you want, or you can even use the foam squares to add a little bit of depth to your card. These kits come with 12 cards, 12 envelopes, all of the embellishments that you need, plus a bag of bonus embellishments that you could use to make more cards, or you could use in your scrapbooks, whichever you would like. Personally, I send my cards, well, at least I write my cards a little bit early. So I love that Creative Memories has released this product so early. It gives us lots of time, and certainly some of us have lots of time on our hands right now. So it gives us time to get our cards ready so that in November and December, when we're really busy, we don't have to worry so much about getting cards ready and all of that extra pressure. Everything that you need is right here. I've worked on these kits with kids. They are super simple. Definitely children can do them, and they make amazing gifts. This, to me, I have used these as teacher gifts. So you could easily give the box unassembled to a teacher. It's right in the right price point for a teacher gift. Or you could have your child assemble the cards and then give the cards assembled to your teacher as well, because everybody needs that last minute Christmas card, and to have one that's beautiful and handmade all on hand would be awesome. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Creative Memories card kits come in these amazing boxes, which I reuse for all kinds of things because they're nice and sturdy. We've got the instructions, which I'll show you in a second. All of the decorations and embellishments, which you'll need. And this amazing bag of bonus items. There is probably enough in here to make a whole dozen other cards. So one thing that you could easily do is use these in a scrapbook, or get a blank card kit and add these to your blank cards. And it comes with all of the cards and the envelopes that you need. Let's take a look at the instructions a little bit more closely. Each instruction is numbered and shows you an idea of what the card will look like. The instructions are super simple, and each one is a little bit different. The instructions match the embellishments. So these are all of the embellishments and the decorations that come with the kit. And on the back, everything is labeled. This one says 8E, 8D, 4E. So it really is just like paint by numbers. So the instructions say attach piece 2A to the base, and then attach piece 2B to that. So all you have to do is find the coordinating pieces. So the first thing that I like to do is to put all of my embellishments, flip them all over, and put them into piles based on the numbers. 6, 11, 12, and I'm going to sort these all out according to the numbers that are on the back of the embellishments. So it took me about 3 minutes to sort all of the embellishments, and I've got them sorted by number based on the number that's on the back of the embellishment and the instructions. I'm going to walk you through how to assemble the cards. This is layout 5, and it matches all of my embellishments, which are labeled 5 on the back as well. So the first instruction says adhere piece 5A to the card base. So that's this piece. I've already got some adhesive on it. You want to make sure your card opens correctly. I've definitely done that wrong before. I'm using the repositionable tape because I needed it for some of the smaller pieces that I was using before. Center and adhere piece 5A onto 5B. There we go. Equally space and adhere pieces 5C, D, E, and F onto 5B. Now again, the instructions are here that you can follow them exactly. You can make sure that your colors are right, but I'm just going to assemble these in whatever order I want, center them out, use my adhesive to stick them on. And then for this one, I'm actually going to add some of the embellishments that come with this one. Everybody loves getting mail, real mail, mail that isn't bills. Creative Memories has put so much thought into these. They would be amazing to get in the mail. The colors and the embellishments and everything is just clearly thought out. I love this one. It's the little shaker that makes a snow globe. This one's totally my favorite. It's going to go to somebody very special when I mail it. There's so many things that you can do with these cards. There's so many people that you can send them to, tons of really great ideas to send them as gifts. And with the bonus pack, there's enough embellishments here in the bonuses that you could easily make probably 10 more cards. So you could get a blank card kit and make even more cards. You could save them for using in your scrapbook. Or if you didn't love the layout of one of these cards, like there are instructions, but you don't have to follow the instructions exactly. Everything you need is here and it's all pre-cut for you. So if you didn't love this card, one of the bonus pieces, if you didn't love that it said Noel, you could use peace instead. And then you could add some bling. There's bling in the bonus pack and everybody loves bling. I use cards from the card kit as gifts all the time. I find myself often looking for that really tough coworker gift. Like you want to get them something, but you don't really want to buy them something because that's weird, but you totally want to show your appreciation. So assemble the cards, tie them with a nice ribbon, and then very quickly and very easily you have a homemade but also useful gift to show your appreciation for somebody. Assembling these does not take long. Within an hour, you could easily have these card kits all done. So you could do these within the people in your home, or if you are getting together with people, you could easily like socially distance do this at a patio outside because it doesn't take any space or room. It doesn't take any time to assemble them. And I know that some nursing homes are letting people drop off things. So how great would it be if you had a parent in a nursing home and you were able to bring them this? They could assemble the cards and then they would have personalized Christmas cards that they could send out that they made all on their own, no tools required.